Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to verify payment method on iPhone. Now to do this, simply go to the settings of your mobile phone in iPhone, and once you open the settings, just click on the profile like your Apple ID or iCloud. Just click on it, and from here you can see the third option, which is called payment and shipping. So just click on this option, payment and shipping, and it will take a few seconds, so just wait for it. And once you're on this section, you can read above the add payment, like add payment method. So you can choose either PayPal if you want to choose the PayPal, or you can just choose the credit card or debit card, whatever your payment method is. So from here, just make sure to enter the card number, enter the expiries, and enter the CVV as well. And once added, just click on done, and your payment method will be verified and added to your Apple account, or you can say the iCloud. And if you want to choose the PayPal, you can just click on PayPal and just log in your PayPal account. And once logged in, you can just choose your billing address and click on done. And once click on done, your payment method will be added successfully into the Apple Wallet or iPhone. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.